In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your email address in your Fresha account. This is an important step in ensuring that your account is secure and that you can receive all the necessary notifications and updates. Let's dive into the process and make sure everything is set up correctly. First, head over to your Fresha dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage all your appointments, client information, and more. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the top right corner. Here, you'll see either your profile photo, if you've uploaded one, or just the initials representing your name. Click on this photo or the initials. By doing so, you'll open a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you'll need to locate and click on Verify Your Email Address. This step is crucial because it initiates the email verification process, ensuring that your information is safe and that you receive vital communications from Fresha. Once you've clicked Verify Your Email Address, Fresha will automatically send a verification email to the email address you registered with. It's important to note that you won't need to manually type anything or provide extra details here. Fresha's system takes care of everything, sending the verification email directly to your inbox. Now, let's go over to your email account. Open your email application and find the Inbox section. You should see a new email from Fresha, which contains a link for verification. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Be sure to check your spam or junk mail folder, as sometimes emails from new contacts can end up there. Once you've successfully located the email, open it and carefully read through its instructions. Inside this email, you'll find an option to verify email. Click this link. Doing so confirms that you are the owner of the email address associated with your Fresha account, securing your access to Fresha's features and updates. And that's it. You've successfully verified your email address by us. As you can see, it's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments, but it plays a significant role in maintaining the privacy and integrity of your account. Thank you for joining me in today's video. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other resources for more tips on how to make the most of your Fresha experience. Remember, keeping your email verified ensures that you're always in the loop with the latest in your business. Have a great day and see you next time.